y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Naomi Marie. How y'all doing? I should not even be this cheesy, y'all. I need help. If you're interested in learning how to make this headband, keep watching my video. I'm gonna start off by getting my Peaches and Cream yarn and my 3.50mm hook. First, you're gonna start off by unraveling the yarn, of course, and you're gonna make your beginning chain, and you're gonna chain up 14 stitches. Or 14 stitches is what I do. You can really do however many you want. It depends how thick or how small you want your headband, but I do 14. So once you make your 14 chains, you're going to count back to the 4th chain from the hook, and you're going to do a half double crochet. And then you're going to half double crochet all the way back down till you get to the beginning. Make sure you don't forget the last chain, because sometimes that can be hard to see and you can miss it. You're going to chain up one, and then you're going to turn your work, and you're going to continue doing this for 43 rows. As you can see, I'm recounting my rows to make sure that I have 43 rows, because if you come up too short, your headband will be too small, or if you come up too much, your headband can be a little bit bigger. You're going to insert the hook on the other side of the work, and you're going to connect it by making a slip stitch, and you're just going to continue to do that down till you get to the end. As you can see, you're coming up on the last single crochet that you have to make, so you're going to finish that off, and then you're going to do one chain, and you're going to cut and fasten it off. The way that I hide my loose ends is I just go between different pieces of the work, and I just connect it through there. Your headband is completed.